Well, some news developments coming in terms of treating coronavirus, and Biocon has got approval for a device. Let's go across to Sakshi for more details. Sakshi, give us all the details.
That's right. Just minutes ago, we got to know that, of course, Biocon has got the official nod to go ahead with Cytosorb to treat critical Covid-19 patients. Now, to understand what this means in actuality, we have Ms. Kiran Mazumdar Shaw, who is the chairperson of Biocon, joining us. Thank you so much for joining us. If you could please tell us how exactly will this device be used? We are given to understand that the supplies of the device already exist in hospitals.
Yes, this is a device that we have been marketing since 2013 to treat sepsis patients who basically suffer from what is called as cytokine release syndrome. And this is a similar kind of occurrence even in COVID-19 critical patients. And in the US, this particular device has received emergency use approval by US FDA. And since we already market this product in India, the DCGI has followed it with an approval in India for its use. And this should be actually used in patients who are critical, who have got this huge elevated levels of cytokines, which obviously are causing, very serious complications and organ failure. So this is something that has been used in other conditions in India. So doctors are familiar with its use. And now we want to see if it actually helps COVID-19 patients.
All right. And can the usage of this begin with immediate effect?
Yes, of course. It's already available in the market. So obviously this is something that will be used by the doctors in these very critical patients.
All right. Also the price range of this device?
I don't have, the actual price range, but, it is an expensive device. And it should be used very selectively for patients who are really critical and in need of this kind of a device to address the cytokine release syndrome. There are other ways of also addressing cytokine release. So unless nothing is working, then I think this device should be used.
Lastly, the availability of this device is across hospitals in India at the moment?
Well, it's available across cities. So, it depends on which hospital is ordering it or has got it in its inventory.
All right. Could you name a few hospitals just so that our viewers understand?
Well, at the moment, I think it's really the large hospitals in Mumbai and Delhi and Bengaluru and Chennai. But I think now that this has been approved and it can be used, I'm sure it will be available as and when is required, because we can always supply it at a moment's notice.
All right, so a ray of hope there. Thank you so much for joining us. News and updates continue on NDTV after a very short break.
Thank you.